is your Duplex Play School.
A for apple. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for television. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. And last Z for zebra. Okay.